Think you're good with money? Stickman thought so too, until he found out he fit perfectly into one of the three money-losing types. Which one are you? Money doesn't disappear on its own. It's our habits, our mindsets, and our patterns that quietly drain it. And what's scary is most people don't even realize they belong to one of these categories. Today, Stickman is going to show you the three types of people who lose money the fastest and how to escape each trap. The emotional spender Stickman's first mistake? He was an emotional spender. Every time he felt bored, stressed, tired, or lonely, he opened his favorite shopping apps. A small snack here, a treat-yourself dinner there, a random gadget he didn't need. These purchases felt harmless in the moment, but they were silently destroying his finances. Why? Because emotional spenders buy based on feelings, not needs. Their brain gets a quick dopamine hit, a false sense of happiness, but their wallet gets weaker every time. Signs you are this type. You shop when stressed or bored. You call purchases rewards. You regret buying things right after paying. You have unused items or subscriptions everywhere. The solution? Stickman learned one rule. Pause for 24 hours before buying anything that isn't urgent. Most emotional purchases won't survive the pause. He also started replacing impulse shopping with taking a walk, drinking water, talking to a friend, watching something, or writing down the item instead of buying it. Within a month, Stickman saved more money than he expected, simply by not buying emotionally. Type 2. The overconfident earner. This one surprised Stickman the most. You see, many people lose money not because they earn too little, but because they believe earning more means spending more. Stickman used to think, I make good money, I deserve this. So he upgraded everything. A more expensive phone, better clothes, eating out more fun subscriptions, nicer furniture. His expenses grew faster than his income. This is called lifestyle inflation, the trap where you increase your standard of living every time your salary increases. Overconfident earners tell themselves, it's just a small upgrade, but those upgrades add up, and soon, even a good salary feels like nothing. Signs you are this type. You spend more when you get a raise. You buy nice things because you deserved it. Your expenses rise every year. You don't save consistently. You have no clue where your money went. The solution? Stickman started doing something simple. Every time he earned more, he upgraded his savings first, not his lifestyle. He used the 50-30-20 rule as a starting guide. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings investing. But after increasing his income, he didn't touch the 30% category. He only increased his savings and investments. Within months, Stickman realized something surprising. He felt richer not because he spent more, but because he kept more. Type 3. The future will fix it. This final type is the most dangerous because it hides behind excuses. Stickman used to think, I'll start saving later. I'll invest when I earn more. I'll fix my finances in the future. Right now is not the right time. This type believes the future version of themselves will magically clean up today's financial mess. But here's the truth Stickman eventually learned. If you cannot manage $100 well today, you won't magically manage $10,000 later. The problem isn't the amount, it's the mindset. Signs you are this type. You plan to save next month. You wait for a raise to fix your finances. You hope future income will solve debt. You think investing is too early. You rely on luck or future opportunities. This mindset delays financial growth for years, sometimes a lifetime. The solution? Stickman forced himself to start small, ridiculously small. $5, $10, anything, because the habit matters more than the amount. Once the habit formed, the amount naturally grew. He also stopped saying, I'll do it next month, and replaced it with, I'll do it today, even if it's small. That tiny shift turned his finances around. So, which money-losing type are you closest to? Let's recap. Type 1. Emotional spender. Loses money because feelings control decisions. Type 2. Overconfident earner. Loses money because lifestyle keeps upgrading. Type 3. Future will fix it thinker. Loses money because of delays and false hope. Stickman fell into all three at some point, but the moment he recognized them, his financial life changed completely. And yours can too. And hey, if you don't want to be the fourth type, the type who gets great financial advice and still forgets to hit like and subscribe, then go ahead and fix that right now. Click on this video to watch how Stickman started his business with $0. Subscribe to Stickman Finance. Let's outsmart money together.